I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Watch D2. First, make sure your watch is powered on and has sufficient battery, ideally over 50%. Next, you will need to download the essential Huawei Health application. For Android users, it is best to get this from the Huawei app gallery to ensure you have the most current version. iPhone users can find it in the App Store. This application is crucial for all connection steps. Once the Huawei Health application is installed, open it and log in using your Huawei ID. If you do not have one, you can easily create a new account within the application. It is important to grant all requested permissions, especially for location and Bluetooth, as these are vital for the connection. After logging in, tap on the Devices tab, usually found at the bottom, then select Add Device to begin the pairing process. Now, keep your Huawei Watch D2 very close to your smartphone, ideally within 1 foot. The Huawei Health application will begin scanning for nearby devices. Once your Watch D2 appears in the list, tap on its name to initiate the connection. A pairing request will then pop up on both your watch screen and your phone. You must confirm this request on both devices to proceed, usually by tapping a checkmark or pair. After successful pairing, you will be prompted to grant additional permissions, such as for notifications, phone calls, and contact access. Allowing these ensures full functionality. The Huawei Health application will then automatically begin syncing your health data and checking for any available firmware updates for your watch. For the best experience and continuous data synchronization, it is recommended to keep the Huawei Health application running in the background on your smartphone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.